Hello, today we are going to do something special. We are going to revise some basic things that we learned from our junior high school, the scatter, the stem and leaf plots. Yeah, we are going to see how that is translated in our high school, how we still use it, and how it's important to um, it's important to rely on that knowledge in order to continue building on statistics. Yes, after doing the scatter leaf plot today, we realize something which I will tell you at the end of the video. Now, let's look at an example of the scatter leaf plots that we usually do. So yes, this is another sample that I picked from the textbook, and this is a large number of data that I put together. So let's forget about the table. Now, first, let's ask, this data type, if you watch the previous video, this data type that you have, what do you think, what type of data type it is? What type of data type is this set of this I mean the numbers that are here? Which set of data type is that? What type of data type is that? Yes, you are right, this is data type 1. Why? Because they are not in a table, and the things are arranged, and there may be repetition and all that. Yes, that's what we did in our previous video, the ability to identify data types. So what we are going to do now is use this large data, we are going to group them, put them in a table. We mentioned in the previous video that sometimes it's possible to change data types from one form to another. So in this case, we are going to focus on transforming data type. That's what stem and leaf plots used to do. Is used to help you to transform data type from one data type 1 to maybe either data type 2 or 3. That's what we do for data type, what we were doing for a scatter leaf plot. But a scatter leaf plot help you to transform data from data type 1 to another form. Let's look at what we at the end of the exercise, then we realize, then we say, okay, now which data type do we have now? But we accepted that the data given to us, this data type is data type 1. The next thing is, let's start doing the analysis. Okay, so stem and leaf plots. Do you remember? We need to find the smallest number, right? We need to find the smallest number in the list, and then maybe start from there. Trying to find a range, like a range of, let's say 10, 10, 10. The difference to be about 10. So let's see. What's the smallest number here? 31. 20 is small here. I want to take time and do this exercise with you, so that if you don't remember how to do the scatter leaf plot, you kind of learn it from here and take something from here. Yeah, so we have 11, the smallest one here, and I'm having 57 as the highest. So I'm trying to find the smallest and highest as I'm going. So 59 is also like high. 66, so 60 and 11, 11 and 60. Then what do I have? 17. Oh, 11 is 53. Yeah, so 66 is up there, and then 11 is down there. So the minimum that we have, so minimum that I have is 11, and then the highest I have from the list is 66. You can cross check with me, but that's what I have. I think I'm correct. So in the range table, we are going to do, so since we are having a minimum and we want to move from ranges of 10, so I can move from, let's say, if I count from 10 to 19, 10 to 19, like that. So the first range, because of it, the smallest one is 11, right? We have moved from a range of 10 for our counting numbers. So it's 10 to 19. 11 is within that range, so there will be something there. So 10 to 19 is our range. Then the next one is 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, and 60 to 69. Yeah, so we have our range ready. So how to find a range? You have to find for the minimum and maximum, time to get your range out of that. Yes, now let's do the tally. The tally is where we go back to each of these numbers, right? Then we put the strokes there. Yeah, they are in bundles of 5. So once you get to 4 and the fifth one is still there, then so how do we identify that? So you have to look at so if you take this first one, it's 4, so it's going to be in 40s. It's going to be in 40, so it's going to be within 40 to 49. And then there is how do you call it, one item there, so one item within 40 to 49, so 45. So yeah, so 45, we are having this guy that we can list here, one stroke for 40 to 49. So at the end of the day, we know that this guy is out. So we do the same thing. 31, let's 31. So 31 will fall within this range, so it is here, one stroke. Then 46, 46 is here, 46 will be here, another stroke. 25, 25 will be here, 20 to 29 years. 57, 57, 57 will be here, so 50 to 59. 30, 39, 39 will be where? 39, 39, 39, 39 will be here. 42, 42 will be, it's here. Again, the 40s are taking 55, 55, I think will be here. 20, 20, 20 is definitely here. 37, 37, 37 will fall here. Then 40, 40 will fall here. So if you know how to do this, or you are tired of the exercises of doing this, you can skip the video to where we are done with this. But I'm considering the person that want I'm looking at the person that really want to maybe forgotten the concept, right? So we build it together. So you can forward this video to where you want the scatter leaf plot table completed, but then you can join me on the exercise so that we take our time and then kind of make sure that we don't do mistake, and then we have a correct data. So 40 is there, 40 is made. Now we go to 59, 59 will be here. 11, 11 was the small, so it will be here. 38, so 38 will belong here. 34, 34 is now here. Now for the next one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 strokes, right? If you are going to these strokes must be in bundles of 5, so 34 is going to fall here. Normally I'm supposed to do like this, count it, but then for the bundles of 5 to happen, you need to make sure that we use the fifth stroke to just cross it. So that's 5. So once you have one cross, it's 5. That's one bundle. So in a bundle, there are 5 items. So now we go to the next one, which is 22. 22 will fall here. 62, 62 will be down here. Finally, something is entry 62. So 33, 33, 33, we are here. So we start another bundle again after the first bundle. Then we go to 48, 48 will be here. So there is 4, right? The fifth one will form a bundle, correct? Now we have 43, 1, 57, 57 will fall here. 37, 37 will fall here. 43, 43 will be here. 51, 51, 51, 51 will be here. Yeah, one bundle for 51. 29, where will 29 be? 29 will be here, correct? 41, 41, 41 will fall here. 35, 35 will fall here. 66, 66, 60, oh okay, 60 got something now. 45, 45 will be somewhere here, so we have 4 now. Then 32, 32 will be here. 44, what will happen to 44? 44 will fall here because we have another 4, so you need to strike with the bundle again. And then 47 is the next one, so we begin a new bundle. 42 is still there, so 42, the 40s are coming up. Then 46, 46 to be here. 54, 54. 54 will be here. 65. 65. 60 got one something now. 17. Oh, we'll fall in the first range. We got then 35. 35, 35. One bundle. So we'll complete this bundle for us. Next one is 53. 53 will be here. 27. 27 will be so now a bundle will be completed for 27. Now we go to 38. 38. You are here. 22. 22, 22. Yes. 33. 33 we are here, I guess. Yeah, we are here. 39. 39 we are here. 45. 45 we are here. 32. 32, 32, 32 we are here. 43. So 43 we are here. So we complete a bundle. Yes. 41 is the next one. 41. 57 is here. So one and 45, the final one, 45 will be here. Yes, so this is what we have finally. We have finally completed our tally, and then we've got some bundles in there. Now we need to now count them. So the counting, that's what we said in the previous video. The count is what we call the frequency here. So the items here are having a range, and then the tally here. So at the end of the day, how many items do you have here? We have 2 items in the first range. This one we have 6 because a bundle is 5 plus 1, it is 6. Now if you go here, you see how the bundle helps to easily read. Yes. So there are 2 bundles here, which is 20 plus 4. Sorry, there are 2 bundles here, which is 10. One bundle is 5. So sorry about that. So 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 4, 14. The next bundle we have 5 plus 5 plus 5, that's 15 plus 2, that will be 17. And then we have 5 plus 3, that will be 8. And then finally for 60s, you have 3. So this is what we have finally. So if you try to remove the tally from the table and you put the range and the frequency table together, you are having something. We are having a new data type now. So this is how we transform from data type 1 to data type 3. Because we say data type 3, there should be the item should be it should be in table. The item is the item against count, which is the frequency, and then the items are in a range. Yes, that's what we explained in our previous video where we try to identify data types. So this is something that we have been doing from junior high school. We have been handling data type. We have been transforming data type 1 to data type 3 from junior high school. Now this is now when I say in a senior high school, you now have the information that this is data type 1, this is data type 2, and stem and leaf plots kind of help you transform data type 1 to data type 3, straight to data type 3. Data type 2 might work, but I think every single item is too individual, so it's better to have them in a range so that we have a shorter thing. So yeah, data type 3 is kind of good. This is how we transform data type 1 to data type 2. So we have the data type 1, we now have the data type 3 using the stem and leaf plots. And those of us that forgot about the stem and leaf plots, this is how to do it. This is how we used to do it. And then I hope that the examples in the textbook, you try to look at it again and try to do your own stem and leaf plot with the right understanding now that you are now transforming from data type 1 to data type 3. Let's see how these things will help us. This knowledge will help us in the subsequent videos. I pray that you like and comment and then share so that other people might have access to this knowledge. And then subscribe and stay with us so that you build this concept for us. You build this concept with us so that we can help you ace your WASI with the concept very well. Here we teach you so that the concept stay with you, so that you can overcome some pressures of trying to cram the concept. So yeah, alongside be doing the exercise so that you can become better and better from one video to another. See you in the next video.